Welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about BG78. And the first family combination, it is a very serious look. So I decided that for the bonus combination, we were going to do something fun-loving. I don't know if it's exactly fun-loving, but it's a little bit brighter. Also, we are going to do something a little bit different. I couldn't find something that would match exactly with B78 in the Prismacolor collection. But what I did is I used two pencils. I will show you exactly how to use that. My name is Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, Prismacolor pencils, open stock, ink refills, and the nib replacements. Thank you. We're starting with BG78. I love this combination. I'm not, okay, I am partial to the bonus combination, but the natural family combination on this marker, I do love. It was BG78, BG75, BG72. Now to underpaint it, we use R85. Somebody told me that I should leave a little bit of the underpaint color on the front of, the little square. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. This is the bonus combination, BG78, BG18, and then BG13. This is more of the aqua at the end. I like the change. I like the rebel blending and underpainting and all that. The staining test, BG markers are going to have blue and green, so it's always going to be a little bit difficult to move. Now for the Prismacolor pencil match, I use Peacock Green. This is the first layer. It was too green for me. It was not blue-green, it was just too green. I felt that it was too bright. So I used slate gray. But I wasn't sure if I should do the slate gray first or the peacock green first. So since I don't remember what I did, I'm looking just like you. And I did it on top. So the idea is to do a couple of layers of slate gray, PC 936, and then on top of it to use PC 907 Peacock Green. If you do not have one of these color pencils, you can always go to our website and we sell them open stock. The natural family combination, it's BG78, BG75, and BG72. You will have no problems blending this combination. They are close enough to each other that they blend beautifully. This is R85. R85, and then we're going to go on top of it with BG78. Remember the speed. The speed is underpainting very fast. First marker, BG78, fast, BG75, medium speed, BG72. We're going to go slower so we can deposit enough ink in the paper. This is BG78. We're going on the bonus combination. BG78, BG18, and then BG13. This is beautiful for butterflies. I love this color. This is R85. We are desaturating the first marker, BG78. Remember that this will desaturate the first marker, BG78, but it will not, for sure, desaturate BG75. It will desaturate it, but you will still be able to see it. You will see the strokes, and if you want to blend a very seamless blend, you might not like it. So swatch. This is the natural family combination, BG78, BG75, and BG72. The underpainting was done with R85, and the bonus combination is underpainted with R85, BG78, BG18, and BG13. If you have any questions, please put them in the description box. I check every time that we upload a video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.